Stygimolch Breakout, and if you hear a printer in the background, I'm sorry for that, but I'm printing stuff for my lawn. So that's all I have to say, and let's get this video. And that is the set. So now we are going to review this set in the same video like I did with the other one yesterday. And so we'll start with minifigures, and we have Dr. Wu here. This is the same print they used in 2020, I believe. Yes, yeah, it is. Just different face. And it's just pretty plain on the back, but it's a nice print for him. And then we have an ACU Trooper, or just called Trooper, from 2018. He has a tranquilizer gun, he's wearing a beanie, and it's the same print as they have for every single Trooper from 2018. The dinosaur is phenomenal. It's the very first Stygimolch they have made, but they're making a new one for 2021, which I'm very proud of, because this Stygimolch is amazing. It just looks amazing. It just looks phenomenal. They kind of got it pretty much spot on. So I'm very happy of how they did that. The cage overall itself is very small. There's not much room for him. Well, actually, there's a little bit, but it's not as nice as it should be. But up front here, we have a gate with an up and down button at the bottom. And then on the sides, we have an electricity sign to make sure that those are electrified. And then just some plain gates using some of these panel pieces. That's kind of all for that. But here in the back of Dr. Boo's lab, there's actually some play features. So if you have the Stygimolch in here, you know, he likes to butt things with his head since he has a bald spot here. So you can butt this piece in here, that'll break open, so he can just fly out there, and that just goes back in like that. And then over here, back this up for you guys so you can see it better, that he can butt this, and then that glass panel will break open. So those are just some pretty neat features they just added in. And up here they just have a viewing screen, then a ladder to get up there, and then a place for the ACU trooper to stand. But that's pretty much it for this set. So hopefully guys, if you like this video, make sure to leave your thoughts down below, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.